Let's go, dude. The new Galaxy robot is going to be available for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Available, buy. And sweet, dude, I have to buy this. Dude. It's like the new one improved one. For Roomba Monk.
Why is shipping so hard?
What? I really don't know.
Dude, your drone thingy, whatever took me in, it dropped me straight on the spot, dude. I'm not that strong. Aren't I plastic?
No, you're metal.
What do you mean? The delivery robot told me that I'm plastic.
Don't listen to him,
It
dude.
looks like metal. What?
Whatever.
I said nothing.
Just Queen.
Okay.
But Roomba Monk could clean everything. It clean the black hole with nothing in it. And now you can clean water. Don't ask why, or don't even ask at that point.
How the heck do I clean water?
I swear to damn God! And this brings up, but fairness has been lowered. If you show it a weapon or a weapon that's not good,
That was cool. Can I have it?
you'll not be scared.
Why can't I pick it up? When can you make it to where I can grab stuff?
Just relax. The robot can clean everything, like your computer, chips, and we don't know what more. Let's just get some chips real quick. I'm hungry. Couch and
Hey, what's that?
oh, some chips. You want some?
Yeah, I want some. Give me. They look good.
The robot could functionally eat chips or anything you like. And it could actually eat it. With its new Five Nights at Freddy's parts, we got the teeth. So they could eat it.
I don't got no teeth. It's not being eaten.
You will have.
Whoa!
You will have them.
Okay.
In future.
Okay, dude, please! Okay, I never ate chips. I can't eat chips. No, I can eat chips. I'm just very bad at this game. Okay? I'm just bad at eating chips.
Continue cleaning.
Cleaning what? I already cleaned it all.
So clean the shop thing over here. The Roomba can clean everything. I clean your items that are not even shown to it.
What do you mean?
And your Roomba can become your companion. If you treat it nicely enough, it'll become your robot friend.
You're not like that. Dude, okay, God, please, stop showing that thing to me.
And also, smart tip: if you get an RPG ammo and an explosive bomb, it will still scare the robot. Get down here! But Roomba can also get scared and be like a cat and get on a damn tree. I really don't know. Right. Roomba Monk? Oh, damn it. Wait, where is he? Roomba Monk, where are you? You can't hide. What the frick? What the frick is this shit? Yeah, not here. I'm pretty sure you don't know where. Way! Damn it, dude. Where is he? Did I pay like 10,000 for that thing, dude? Where is it? Where is it? Over. Company group. I have lost the robot. Oh, it's not in here. Huh. Where is he? Do I have to spend all the time for the... If you don't come out, I will shut. Wait, that one new feature I have no show. I command you to go back to spawn. Man, really, if I did not know about this, I would have not known.
What? Why can't I move myself?
I command you to have access to your body again.
Dude, what the heck? What the heck?
Now, clean.
Clean what, man?
Clean the shop. You are not gonna hide from me. Your new feature is commands. I can literally tell you what to do if I say I command you.
But I don't want to be controlled. I don't want to be mind controlled.
Yeah, but then follow what I say. Now clean whatever you're gonna clean even though if you don't like it. Clean the sewing machine.
Okay.
But oh, damn it. The Roomba Monk can clean your sewing shop if it's getting dusty. Clean by the ultimate Roomba Monk. The Roomba Monk can also fall. Have like happy accidents, just like humans. Animals, and they go fall from this edge. I really don't know why.
Bro, I think my right hand kind of lost its battery.
But whatever you do, could you retreat? I command you to fall down like over here, just like the first Roomba bot. And guys, the Roomba Monk is the best robot thing that you will always have. That's all for the reviews. If you like this, like and subscribe.